how good this thing does again. I mean, it's been working pretty good. We're gonna get some good bounces now. We're gonna put her to the test today. She outlasts this right here. She's feeling good. Bounce a little bit, but not bad. Not quite as bad as that other big bounce. I mean, that thing bouncing like crazy back there. But it's not doing so bad on the camera. It goes through this. This is the line. I don't know how much we can do it with this. I just put the seat. Time for emergency to get off the water. I had to hurry up and take the camera off. Looks like a good ride. Get on Amazon and put real good credits on this thing. It does good. All right. It's saying beep, beep, beep. I got my feet wet. Not what I wanted to do. Big rock right here.